Modals, also called modal verbs, modal auxiliary verbs, modal auxiliaries, are special verbs that behave irregularly in English. They are different from normal verbs like work, play, visit, etc. They give additional information about the function of the main verb that follows it. They have a great variety of communication functions. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about modals of possibility. As you all know, there are 9 modal verbs in English. They are must, may, might, will, would, can, could, shall, and should. How to use the modal verbs? There are certain rules. First, modals do not change. Modals do not change according to the subject or tense. Example, I must read a book. The subject here is I. This is in present tense. When you use the subject he, the sentence is he must read, not he must read. You should not add yes after the modal verb when the subjects are third person singular. That is he, she, it. So, he must read is the correct answer. Second, modal verbs are followed by infinitive without to. That is, modal verbs are followed by the base form of the verb. Example, he might go. Go is a verb. You should not add to before verb. You might go, you might walk, you might dance. These are the examples. So, modal verbs are followed by infinitive without to. Number 3, negative modals use not or int. Int is a contraction of not. Example, Hira might not come or Hira mightn't come. This is the correct way of using modal verbs in negative sentence. You should not use don't. Hira don't might come. This is the wrong usage. In questions, the subject and the modal are inverted. Example, could it rain? Is the correct usage. When you form a question using a modal verb, the modal verb should come first and the subject should followed by the modal verb. Do it could rain? This is the wrong usage. When there is a modal verb in a sentence, you can begin the question with the modal verb. Modals have no past form. There is no past form for modal verbs. See the example here. He must go is the right answer. Usually we add ed to make a past form of a verb. But when it comes to modal verbs, there is no past form. So he musted go is the wrong usage. He must go is correct. The most important thing about modal verb is they can change their meaning depending on the context they have used. May is a modal of possibility and permission. Look at the example here. It may rain. It might rain. It could rain. We have used may, might, could in these sentences. From the context, we can say may is used as a model of possibility. It may rain means it is possible it will rain. It is possible it will rain tomorrow is a wrong usage. Though it is grammatically correct sentence. It is a grammatically correct sentence. You should not use it is possible it will rain tomorrow. Instead of this, you can use it may rain tomorrow. Here you have used the modal verb of possibility may. May means it is possible it will rain tomorrow. Next example, at the wedding party, I have the possibility to sing. Instead of using this sentence, you can say at the wedding party, I might sing. Here you have used might as a model of possibility. At the wedding party, I have the possibility to sing, but I am not sure. The best thing to learn the modals is to learn their functions. In this class, we are going to discuss about modals of possibility, may, might, and could. Where is Betty? Answer for this question: she may be in the kitchen. She could be at school. Ask Jerry, he might know. This is like you're saying, perhaps she is in the kitchen. It's possible she is at school. Perhaps it's possible Jerry knows where she is. Here, may, might, and could, all modals are used to say something is possible, but you are not sure about it. Look at the example here. It might be cold. Here, might is a modal verb. It means it is possible it will be cold. It mightn't be cold. The negative form. The negative form of it might be cold is it mightn't be cold. It mightn't be cold means it is possible it won't be cold. It is possible it won't be cold, but you are not sure about it. It might be cold means it is possible it will be cold, but you are not sure about it. You are not certain about it. Next example, it may be delicious. The meaning for this sentence is, it is possible it will be delicious. It is possible the food will be delicious, but you are not sure that the food is delicious. It may not be delicious is the negative form. It may not be delicious means it is possible it won't be delicious. It is possible it won't be delicious, but you are not sure about it. However, be careful when you use could as a modal verb. Could changes meaning in the negative. Look at the example here. It could be dangerous. It could be dangerous means it is possible it is dangerous. It couldn't be dangerous is the negative form of it could be dangerous. It couldn't be dangerous means it is not possible that it is dangerous. This is the correct meaning for it couldn't be dangerous. It is possible it is not dangerous is a negative meaning. I will be late to school this afternoon. You are sure that you are going to be late to school this afternoon. So you have used will as a modal verb. Here will expresses certainty. I am sure I'll be late to school. Look at this example. I may not be late to school this afternoon. I may not be late to school this afternoon. I may be late to school this afternoon. Here, you are not sure about it. It is possible I'll be late to school, but you are not sure about it. So you have used may as a modal verb of possibility. So may, might and could expresses possibility. There's a small test for you. Frame two sentences using any of the modal verb we have used in this lesson, that is may, might and could. Hope you have enjoyed this lesson. If you find this lesson is informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.